Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NETH. I'm your tutor Mr. Opuki, and if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there of yours. Alright, so today we have a problem on gradient. The question says the gradient of the line passing through the point. So we have points P and Q is what? R. So we should find the value of what X. First of all, what do we mean by what? Gradient. Now, if I have say a graph and this is a line, okay, the gradient most times want to form a triangle, okay, want to form a triangle like this. So we have this part as our change in y and this part our change in x, okay. So the gradient we have as the what? The slope. This is the slope. So the gradient is still the slope, which most times we use the letter n, is equals to what? Change in y divided by what? Change in x. So what do I mean by change in y? So we have y2 minus y1 divided by what? X2 minus x1. Now how do you get our y2 and y1, x2 and x1? Alright, this point is our y2 and this point here is our y1. Now this point is our x1 and this point is our x2. Okay, so from the question we can see that our n is given, okay, which is the gradient. Okay, let me quickly specify it. So our n in this case is this, is half, so that is n. Okay, now let's identify, okay, what is y2, y1, x2, x1 from the question. All we need to do is we come to the question, we indicate this is x1, this is y1, and this is what? Our x2, and this is y2. Okay, now the next thing we want to do here is we want to pick, okay, this point and substitute into the equation, but we have to remember our n is given as what? R, which is what the gradient slope. So I'm going to substitute m as r, so we have 1 over what? 2, which is equals to, now our y2 here is 9, so we have 9 minus, our y1 is what? 5. I'm going to put 5 there, divided by our x2 is x, what we are looking for, so we are going to put x minus our x1 here is what? 4. Okay, so now that we have that, we just have to solve all this to get the value of what? X. Okay, now our 9 minus 5 is 4, so we have 4 divide, okay, so we have x minus 4, which is equals to what? We have half. Okay, so let's solve this to get the value of what? X. So the question says we should find the value of what? X. So from this point, how do we solve for x? Okay, we can simply what? Cross, okay, multiply. So how do we cross multiply? We want to use this 2 and multiply 4. I want to use all this to multiply with this 1. Okay, that's what we mean by cross multiply. So I'm going to start with this. So we have that as 4 times what? 2. And we have 1 multiplying all this. So we have 1 multiply x minus 4. Okay, and 1 times x is x. 1 times minus 4 is minus 4. This is equal to, we have 4 times 2, which is what? 8. So from this point, how do we solve for x? Now we want to remove minus 4 from both sides. And how do we do that? Means I'm going to add 4 here. So x minus 4. Whenever you have minus, you are going to add, okay, to be able to make this 0. So we have this side is also going to be 8, and we're going to add 4. So added 4 here and added 4 here. So we have x Minus 4 plus 4 is 0, so we have x plus 0 is equals 8 plus 4 is 12. So x plus 0 is what? X, which is equals to 12. So our answer to this given problem is 1. So that gives us the value of x to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, do it to subscribe and share this video to someone else. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.